Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news. Berla Mumdi journalist ewo Ghana hanom na ode ensem bi atodwa afa endra by election a ekoso ewo kumewu no ho na ensem a Berla ede atodwa enam so ena Ghana fo bi nso ama no reply na adofo ansana no yentie ensem a Berla Mumdi ede atudwa na yensansombra
doing the job. If they are not, kick them out. It's as simple as that. We need to go beyond just voting on tribal lines, because again, if you understand the voting system, then you know that the Ashanti region for the longest time has voted on behalf of the NPP, because the NPP is known to be, strongly Ashanti. And that's why they're voting along those lines. But are they doing what they ought to do? We've had so many disgruntled people in the Ashanti region. Majority Leader's constituency is a clear example of how they pelted him with water. Again, if another MPP person comes and promises all kinds of things, will they vote for that person, knowing very well that all the promises that were made to them were not fulfilled to a large extent? It won't happen. We need to look beyond that and really send a signal to the government and politicians that we are wiser than you think we are. 10 cedis is not enough to want me to vote for you. Yeah. Are they doing the job? If they are not, kick them out.
Ebusiafo ye na yate ensema Berla Mumdi ede atudwa na ewo ensema Berla ede atudwe na ye gina so ebisa se enti journalist fu bia mo Ghana ha de mu ye mu susu se eye mu gidi pa se de we amusi eye mo nuamen emfa basabasa yo anase entokwa bi emba se ye to aba ewo mayimu a mo ye sure. Because journalists funi bi muntumi embo ha de munima ne se mo bo baabi faako na Ghana youth amu Ghana hanom muntie youth bi ehweme a ontie se journalist bi careless na okakana sem na ede basabasa yo eba mo make sure say mo ba attack a journalist fu bi a omo saa niama no monso na mo make sure say mo be attack yomo ansa na mo de abaye nso, because yen innocent yen fa ne say yen mame mo yen papa mo na yen nuanu ma sebio ebi mo ente politics ase sebio ebi mo anko school a omo jisika anaso omo je bribe every politicians ho ansa na omo ato abade amomo ebi mo jemo ebi mo jentuma duku eniema bebre ansa na omo ato abade amomo no ye mfa ne se omo ye naive omo do omo nemehwe ena omo eyesa na se eniema ekoso yi nso no eye both NPP ena NDC fo no omo yesa enti wo ye journalist wo akọ school wo platform awokasa obi ate de esa wo ye ne se utu omo a omo yesa ne fo wo educate omo na afenso ka kyerɛ mo sɛ do mo yɛ ne enye both NPP and NDC fo se ye beto aba mo kyɛ niama no enye onipa kono kɔto aba bomode ehwɛ wasetenem ewo mi sɛ mo abɔ ho dawuro mo nti ba de mo amo ka no de mo na ekwamanfo wontirim first na social media ni wona politicians wo mo yɛ bibia yɛ hu ba in the social media about me say youth ni bebradwe asesa enti sɛ journalist fo mo kɔso bɔ dawuro a timamfo no mo nti abato ase o mo je bribe ansa no mo ato aba no amo beti ase but journalist for the dabi the woni man say NPP fo nko akoye bone na wo ka the woni man say NDC fo nko akoye bone na wo ka nti ani youth fo muntie journalist bi obe make mistake aye de basabasa yo beba no mo ndin kan attack sa journalist fo no ene ebi mo mudi nsem hu ansa mo de abaye nso okay na TV3 fo ye bisa mo say mo TV station no NDC for there na NDC for there mo dey asra kan yenti why because we know TV3 say station adwuma Ghana and as a media general yenim say station adwuma Ghana yenim say NDC for party this mo de mo NDC for party am kan kire because kumewu election year course ni ankasa na pay makọ mo platform ni na so Onua TV3 Johnny ejina ho atutu ababa na numa kekense mu a which one condemn NDC for so act omo aye omo promise no omo ye nema bibranko yie ye hu se Johnny be kan ho asem ya titi abeja amu atutu bia ababom wanum akeke bi ko baabi omo an condemn NDC fo de omo ye e na Berla Mumdi nso ono nso ne dia oka Berla se den omo kwato aba wokumawu no omo che sika na sika no omo che no mo agi awie de na nipa na mo ayi no wa meye mpuntunjuma wa mo a next 4 years oba mbesan so ato aba ama na nti ese mo e na mo educate omo yes o mbesan so ato aba omo so omo disika mo nko ade a but mo se nkofo a mo kasa nsemi ana pay Johnny ni nsem o kasa nti de course wo kumawi NDC fo ye bi o meka ho je se December sa hu journalist ne left from the right or the cancel sometimes omo cancel na as a baby na no ye wa ha e na NDC fo e yo mo primaries semu onima o chesika o mapende da John Dramani Mahama e che 40 cities e ma delegate ni na o kan bo mo say 1.2 million akwabna hene oman hene Ahsantes akoka NDC fo semu nti bi da eni mo atwa na da pa mu ode anya asem keto akora oman hente ni baabi ene de oman pani che no wo kan de mo atwa na da pa anya sa ebi mo che cylinders maame oba be se gina car so atu sika na se nipa na ono oto sika no ono wa se wa atu sika e wo no constituency ho no de anya na election nti se nipa kono so oba Berla have you asked that woman so oba on so oba empuntu djuma na after say watch sika de am conform ato abana ma no I mean come on journalists for more na platform na more kasa more educate Ghana for now we have a long way to go that no about to of course wo kumawi ne ye nima ne say NPP for akochemo NPP for akobuntware apacho because NPP for na wa power na say muni say Ashanti region kene ke NPP for be fenti mo asheda mu tumfutu egu oman ni but muntie say eye NDC for na wa power e na by election abeto ho e na omo to aba e wo omo strongholder kameji de say de omo ye nka omo so by because omo person omo win so I mean we should be truthful yen kaha so and more can and your friend is a journalist for na mo aye mo when this for na mo can are you trying to tell us say NPP for nkwa na to abeche say na manana even kumawudi ya one po no position na woni me say e ho ye NPP strongholder can it be failing po mo hwe sa video we
yes mama I'm also say ko fa kwa so when the moment you got a you
One video no omo che duku entuma duku nyantuma mpo duku ena apron omo de so omo komu ni aduane to aduane ena omo che mo NPP fu kwara so omo che mo a obetima akonu ade NDC fu do omo che duku t-shirt NDC fu na journalist no maye mo NDC fu so mo si mu hu nya mo hwe we nso so mo de NPP fu ne nkwa na e trend na mo hu a we nso yakotwe abremo so mo hu video no omo che duku keke so want to buy and more. So we want you people to be fair. NPP for the amoya and yet I don't know which is castle being caught up by mamma. I then NDC for the intina which is castle being caught up by mamma. What is wrong with you? Ghana and Libya would say, listen, you can decide to vote, you can decide not to vote or be in cool. For one case, what Braboshe will say, leave these politicians alone because they will not help. Even journalists follow Christ or educate or more one party almost supported. Which they know say that party no almost supporting no, they are not good, they are doing what is not good, but because they support that party, they will say good things about them. Rather Ghana for Yaba to same NPP ye say His Excellency na Nana Akufo-Addo aba na so aba be fail ye nya. Omampenda that John Dramani Mahama is never an option and he can never be. Omampenda that John Dramani Mahama can never become a president again because yenimino wabaya president da we know what he did and we know the Ahsantes ababaye so he's not coming in 10 days for my imagine so man penda da no over there and never maintain MPP for because MPP for buy dum so no I stop it in your light here adwuma nti na nko mapende da beba de en kan di MPP for bra en kan MPP for bra adan en ye wo mamu yan kan no kware ye nyama bia as say adan because politicians no they know say oh last time okatachi afifa be kan say bi say politician ni NDC ni pani bi ko ne chen say oh na youth we amokum o man kaso mo agement ja omo boy ye ba opposition ma power so these journalists for no so mo read here who say ya dwene emre yetumi ma obi 100 cedis na that day na dwen asesan so yen pebi bi sa no mo ye wa man mu but ni na ye say enem the obrande ye be ko bia enem ti ensem we na Berla Mumdi e de atu dwa na ode tu dwa na Ghana fu bi so e ma no reply yen ti ensem omo e ka kire no we official Samuel and I will just say, and why is she not talking about voter region, which is a strong word for the NDC? And I went so ASC do and I will just say, sorry, we Fosia and I will just say, both NPP and NDC has done nothing to Ashanti region. These two parties are just using Ghanaians. They have nothing good to offer our country. It is true. We mom's kid and all just say brilliant submission, but I am sad to tell you that if they even choose to go the other side, it's gonna be even worse. They are all the same. Yes, Berla Mumdi. And I went so HSA. The thing pay my girl a pain in the bank. She knew what she was talking about. And I went so Louisa and I just said, tell the Ewes and the Fancies if they change, we go also change. Okay, this time we need to break the 8. Okay, MPP for someone more can reply Ghana for a day ama and I went so HSM. Why is she not talking about the voter region? Are they not more tribalism than the Ahsantes? It pains her. Wow. In the same way, and I Ghana for a day at Berla Mumdi.